Hello. Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check your LinkedIn profile strength. Now, why you should check your LinkedIn profile strength? Of course, first impressions matter. Your profile is often your digital first impression for recruiters, clients, and collaborators. A high strength profile means you've added key sections that show you're professional and complete. Also, higher visibility in searches, better networking opportunities, improves your chances of being hired. So, how will you know that? I'm going to show you this website where you can check your LinkedIn profile strength and you would know what are the things you need to edit, you need to add, and you need to fix on your profile. First, you need to save your LinkedIn profile as PDF, tap on resources, and then tap on save PDF. Now here, what you're going to do is you have to go to any web browser and look for resumeworded.com. What you're going to do is you have to press enter and then click the very first link that you can see here. So it should be this logo, or if not in the first link, you have to make sure that it should have this same logo right here. Now what you're going to do is you have to get started, and then once you have created an account here, you can upload your PDF, your LinkedIn PDF. So you will see here some instructions and information. So all you have to do is to click this one. Now you can import your PDF file right here. Wait as it is processing. And then after that, you should see here the result. And basically, you will see here the visibility, chances of being hired. You will see it right here. And in short, it will just show you how to complete and optimize your profile because you will have your basis of your profile strength here on your LinkedIn. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.